This is going to be a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12. This is just one of a few iPhones that Apple has released this year in the 12 series lineup, including the 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, and then this is the 12. So this one right here is a 256 gig blue model. It also comes in other sizes, other capacities, and colors. So let's dig inside the box. So here's the phone itself in a nice kind of blue color. It's kind of a darkish blue. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's kind of close to this color here as compared to the Pacific blue of the iPhone 12 Pro. This one kind of has a slight greenish tint, but this is much darker and has a glossy finish. So on the back here you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel wide lens. There's no LiDAR sensor like on the Pro models. Here you have your volume buttons, power button, and SIM tray. And it has the same 6.1 inch OLED display, but slightly lower resolution than on the 12 Pro here. Still powered by the A14 Bionic chip. And the cameras on the back can shoot 4K video, and also there's support for shooting Dolby Vision video at 30 frames per second. If you want 60 frames per second Dolby Vision video, then you have to step up to the Pro or Pro Max. So put that off to the side for now. And in the box you get just kind of quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, that type of stuff, and then USB-C to Lightning cable. Apple isn't including a wall adapter in the box. You'll have to provide your own one that has USB-C on it, or buy one from Apple or that type of stuff. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 in blue.